questions tonight and more revelations. At 9:30 in the morning on 14 June, I repeat, 9:30 in the morning on 14 June, the day the Mumbai police insists Sushant Singh Rajput killed himself. Viewers, at 9:30 in the morning, just around the time of the so-called suicide, which I don't believe was a suicide, there was a missed call from Sushant Singh Rajput's cell phone to his family member. No other channel is breaking this news. We have exclusive information. There was one ring. And when the family member called Sushant back, Sushant did not answer. My first question is, why would someone who was carrying out a suicide, killing himself, as the police claim, call anyone just before killing himself? Was it a distress call? Was Sushant asking for help? And I have more information, viewers. On the 25th of February, this year, 2020, a family member of Sushant Singh Rajput sent a text message on WhatsApp to a top Mumbai police cop. Let me repeat, I am not naming the person, so the person should not be very nervous. I think he will be nervous. But a family member texted a top Mumbai police cop, a top cop, remember, I am not saying more, informing them that there is a plan to eliminate Sushant by a gang, of which Riya Chakrabarti is only a group member. Riya Chakrabarti is only one of the members. So the family told this Mumbai police top officer that Sushant's life was under threat, that they had extracted. Viewers, he said that they had extracted his money, crores of rupees, they wanted him dead. The Mumbai police was told that Sushant's life was in danger. Viewers, then why did the Mumbai police do nothing? Will the Mumbai police have the guts to start investigating this police officer who received this text message and willingly did nothing for criminal negligence or worse? Now my investigations reveal, and my team has been working very hard on this, that there is also a possible link between the mysterious death of Disha, Sushant's ex-business manager, on the 9th of July and his death on the 14th of July, 9th of June and the 14th of June, viewers. Is it true that there was a politician and many Bollywood stars at a party Disha attended on the night she died? What happened at that party? Why is the Mumbai police not interrogating the politician who attended the party? My question is to Uddhav Thackeray. Uddhav Thackeray, what are you afraid of? I want to know, don't you want to know, Uddhav, which politician was at the party with Disha? What happened at that party? And why is this ridiculous suicide theory being bandied about in Disha's case? Everybody dies and everybody kills themselves. Uddhav Thackeray, what are you thinking of? Most importantly, viewers, why did Riya Chakrabarti leave Sushant's house within 24 to 36 hours of Disha's mysterious death? Did Sushant know something about that case that he wanted to reveal, expose, confront? And finally, viewers, who are the politicians regularly in touch with Riya? Does that include any from the ruling coalition in Maharashtra? Uddhav Thackeray, why do you want the country not to know whether Riya Chakrabarti was in touch with any top politicians? Are any of them from the Shiv Sena? Just asking, Uddhav, don't get nervous. This and more are some of the serious investigations we are following right now. Viewers, this is an exclusive Republic TV non-stop investigation you're watching tonight, and we are going to get to the truth. Sandeep Singh, very close to Sushant, is going to be joining me live in a few minutes. Now, he was there around on the day he died. And viewers, there is a growing demand for a CBI investigation, but Uddhav Thackeray is now saying nothing doing. I will not allow a CBI investigation. Viewers, here are the headlines this Wednesday evening on The Debate Tonight.
Hi everyone, I'm Sucharita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.